Okay, learn how to cook ugali in a professional way or maize posho with Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So we're going to get our saucepan. In our saucepan, we are going to apply water. So after applying water, boil the water. Apply some salt, but it is optional. After, divide that water into two. So apply your maize flour. Apply your maize flour. So you start mingling. So start mingling until it is ready. Start mingling or until all the crumbs are done. Until all the crumbs are done. Make sure that you mingle until all the crumbs are done. So when the crumbs are done, you are going to start breaking that posho or the ugali. So we're doing it in a professional way. So we're going to start breaking it in the saucepan. You're going to start breaking it in the sauce. That means you give it some time. Give it some time. Then after break it a little bit, after breaking it, apply hot water. Apply hot water, but not much. So boil until the water reduces. Cover and boil until the water reduces. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm here to show you professional of making ugali. So apply prestige margarine or unsalted butter or oil, 1 tablespoon and a half. 1 tablespoon and a half. We apply them for taste. After mingle again. After mingle your ugali again. I'm here to show you the professional way. So apply prestige margarine or unsalted butter or blue band or cooking oil for taste. We are looking for taste. We are looking for taste. I'm here to show you how to make ugali in a professional way or how to make posho in a professional way. Remember, we use maize flour. So make it, bind it very well. Don't forget, you can serve it with bean sauce. You can serve it with peas sauce, anything, or greens, even fish. It is professional to take it with the fish. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you get daily recipe update. This is Chef Josh from CCCC. I'm going to request you share this recipe with each and everyone. See you.